have you used function currying?
Uh, yes, little bit we can
Okay.
say. So in function carrying, basically we pass multiple parameter individual functions. So it is a concept of closure basically.
Mm-hmm.
So let's suppose we have let um, equal to 14x y and z to y z. So we will use it like this function to 4 and 6. So it is a function cutting, sir.
What should value I should get if I print this?
It will 2, 4, 8, 8, 6. Mm, I think 4, 8.
Print it.
Okay.
Okay. And suppose I have n number of variables, then
If you have n number of variables,
hmm,
so what we will do in this case? I don't know, sir.
okay, uh, read about it then.
Okay, sir.
ओके सो अभी हमने बात किया फंक्शंस का करेक्ट सो
Okay, sir.
you might heard about the arrow functions as well.
Yes, sir.
So what is the benefits of it?
So arrow function is the shortest syntax of any function expression, and we can use it like it is a arrow function. It is a arrow function. So we don't use function keyword for it. And the arrow function and the difference between arrow function and regular function is arrow function is not hoisted, but a regular function is hoisted, and we don't have this for a arrow function, and we an arrow function doesn't have arguments object.
Okay,
Mhm.
so if I print this in the arrow function, then what it will print?
So if we print this inside a arrow function, it will retain its lexical closing environments. This, so suppose we have an object, let obj is equal to name r1, and we have function x. This, so it will, what it will do, it will access its enclosing in lexical environment. So for this it's for this it is a global, so it will print a global object, a window object.
Okay.
And if we want to print
Hmm.
this object, so what we'll do, we will create it like y, y will wrap it into this function. So
Hmm.
what it will do, let x. So for now this for this arrow function enclosing a lexical environment is this function, and for this function this is now this object. So it will print this object now if you call x now.
Print it.
Okay, sir. Obj dot y. This. Hello.
Yes.
Says done.
This should return this. Can you print this dot name? It should return Arun or something.
Yes, this dot name. It will return Arun.
Yep. Okay. So you explain this very well. Okay. But try to organize this answer in proper way. Okay. You got
Okay,
confused
sir.
in between.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Okay. We'll move to the next question then. Uh, what is difference between call, apply, bind?
So call, apply, binds methods are used for borrowing a function and invoke a function. So in call, invoke a function and pass argument one by one. And in apply, we pass argument as an array. And bind returns a new method which we can invoke later.
Okay. So any example about it when we should
Okay, sir.
use bind and when we should use call or apply?
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. So let's suppose I have I have a print name. This dot name. So I have another object. Let's suppose let obj2, and in this one I have only name Tony. So let's suppose I want to borrow this method from this
Hmm.
obj. So
Hmm.
what will I do? I will use obj dot print
Hmm.
dot. I will use call for that.
Hmm.
So I will pass this reference obj2. So it will print Tony. What the so, okay. Okay. So this is a call, and if you want to pass arguments it,
Hmm.
so let's suppose city and state, and I want to print hello. State. So in call, we pass argument one by one, like city, indoor, and MP. Okay, okay, there it is.
Hmm.
And if you use apply here,
Hmm.
apply, so we will pass argument in as an array.
Hmm.
Okay, and if we use bind here, so bind we will pass arguments one by one,
Hmm.
but it will not directly call the function. If we run this code, so nothing will print, but
Hmm.
it will return a function, new function. So we will invoke this later. So x. Okay, there it is.
Okay. Okay. So, yep, that's correct and very well explained. Okay. So,